Hey, what's good YouTube world? Prash here, and today I'm super excited once again to be doing the unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So yeah, let's get straight into it. And as always, Apple always sends out their products in this nice packaging, so let's take it out the box. I gotta say, I am a fan of the new packaging. It's a lot sleeker and better than just the long rectangular box they used to give with their older Apple Watches. So yeah, I'm all for that. And I guess you've got this little leaf logo here to say that this is recycled packaging that's also biodegradable, because that's what it actually feels like. But yeah, let's open it up. Damn, this is like Christmas came early. And there you go. This is the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Now I went for the Alpine loop in this really nice indigo color, so let's take a look at this first. Nice, just your standard Alpine loop, and honestly feels pretty well constructed, and the fabric itself seems pretty durable. So let's set this aside and get straight to the good stuff. Designed by Apple in California, of course. And you've got a nice little braided cable here to match with what you're getting with the iPhone 15 lineup. And this is the watch itself. Oh, I think I definitely botched that, but oh well. Now I gotta say, this is definitely a lot lighter than I thought it would be. It's definitely on par with my Series 6 Apple Watch, but yeah, this is actually quite nice. Alright, so let me get the strap installed onto the watch and see how it looks on my wrist. And just like that, I've got the Apple Watch Ultra 2 on, and I gotta say, it's not as big as I thought it would be on my wrist, because again, yeah, I have pretty skinny wrists, so yeah, it doesn't look too bad, it doesn't protrude too much out from my wrist. Yeah, I gotta say, it's a nice fit. And again, the all titanium construction definitely helps with the lightness, because this feels just about as light as my Series 6 Apple Watch, which had the aluminum construction. So yeah, definitely helps having that more durable, lighter material on the watch itself. Now let's turn it on. So yeah, this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. I'm super excited to test it out and see just how good that battery life really is. So stay tuned for that and much more content for the Apple Watch Ultra 2, as well as the iPhone 15 Pro, which I've just done an unboxing for as well. I'll leave a link in the description. You can check that out as well and see how that goes. But yeah, I can't wait to pair the two together and just talk about my experience. So like this video if you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.